Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we've got a relatively new motor out on the market, and this is one of the Surpass Rocket. This is the 540 V6 motor. This one is one that I'm going to be using in the current build that I'm doing for the TRF 420X, and this is a 17.5 turn lightweight motor. So let's bring you in for a close-up look, let you have a look exactly what we get in box with this thing, and it looks quite special, but let's get you in for a close-up look. So let's have a look what we've got on box. It's a censored motor for Wtf Cars. It is the V6 brushless motor, and not really much on back, just a bit of information about Surpass. And then we got the barcode for it, and the part number for this one is SP-054006-13. We've also got S23F03 on it, and it does say it's a Surpass Hobby Rocket 540 V6 censored motor, lightweight 17.5 turn, colours black for 1/10 RC. So let's get this open. And I do like the RC stuff that comes packaged like this, because you get a box that is pretty useful afterwards. So it is nice that it comes with a nice black flat sensor cable. And if we have a quick look at this, let's get a rough idea of how long it is. So it's a little over 6 inch. So probably about 160 centimeters, 160 millimeters, sorry, this one. So it is nice that it does come complete with the sensor cable. But let's have a look at the star of the show. And that is a stunning looking motor. It's really nice that it comes with 2 sensor ports. And they're both supplied with rubber bungs that don't actually fall off. So no matter where it's situated in the RC, you're going to be able to get a nice connection to the actual sensor port. Now we do have some motor degree timing marks, and if you look, these are all chamfered, and then you've got a tiny little arrow on the end of this one. So it looks like it'll go 0 to 60 degree on the timing. I'm not sure how well this is going to come up on camera, but it is easy to see in person. But you've got A, B, C etched into the machined aluminium, and what look like gold-plated contacts for as power cables. Then you do have this huge aluminium disc on the end of the motor. It is fully ball raced as well, and I believe this is to help dissipation of the heat. But it also blanks off underneath the screw threads. So too long a screw and it's just going to go down and hit the aluminium, not go into the actual windings and cause damage to the motor. I do quite like that. It is machined out quite a bit further than the non-lightweight ones as well. And it also looks like the end of the output shaft has been milled in a little. So I'm not sure if that's for weight saving. There are quite strong magnets in this, with it being a 17.5. So I'm guessing the engine or motor braking is going to be quite good on this. But yeah, that's just a quick overview, look round of what you get in box. It does say lightweight on the motor as well, and stock spec 17.5. So yeah, it's that is a really impressive looking bit of kit. Very similar looking to the Rudog one that I got. I'm guessing Surpass are the OEM for them, and by the looks of it, it looks like that's the design they've gone with for these new V6 motors. But yeah, quite nice, really nice packaging. It's not going to get damaged in delivery, and then once you've used the motor, you've got a really nice box that you can keep to put all the tiny little RC bits in. The price on these, I believe the official retail price is $89.99. So slightly cheaper than the Hobbywing motors, but if the performance is anything like the looks of it, I'm pretty sure we're going to see that it's very comparable to anything else on the market. The lightweight one, 17.5 ton, I believe is 2,900 kV. But that's just a first look at it. So let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, the Surpass Rocket 540 V6 brushless lightweight 17.5 ton motor. There will be a link in description below. You can get these from RD Models at Chesterfield. So big thanks to Dave. Hopefully we have a lot of fun with this, and it will be going in the TRF 420X. So thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.